Welcome guys at my YouTube channel. Today in this video we gonna to learn how we can make file and folder management in the Rhel 7. So basically this is the video for the beginners. Okay, this is not an advanced video about file folder management. Here this is the basics that I will discuss in this video. So every beginner can learn many things from this video. So don't try to skip this video guys. If you are a beginner, then you can miss out any important thing in the middle of the video. So don't skip and keep watching the continuous video. Okay, so let's start. Let me open my terminal. Okay, now I am on my terminal. So first command that we have foo. Okay, foo, if you will type foo, then you can see how much login there is login. Okay, foo tells about the as you know there are 7 terminal in the Rhel 7. So from 0 to 6, okay, which user is logged on your system, you can see by this command. Okay, next command is we have foo mi. Okay, by this command we can watch that at currently which user is working or which currently is logged in. So here root user is login here. So by these two command you can check the on which terminal which user is login, and who am I command through which so you can check which user is currently login. And we have one more command, that is who -a. Okay, here is you can also check the date on which it was login or the time as well. Okay, it's a session ID that is here on which terminal it is login. TTY stand for terminal. Okay, and you can see that PTS 0 and 0 first terminal root is login, and on TTY it is asking for the login. Okay, if any other user will login at this terminal, then it will tell you that this user is login here and on this terminal, and the time of the login is this one, and the date is as well. And here you can see the ID of that user. Okay, now let's move forward. Okay, clear is the command to clear your screen. Okay, if you want to disappear the content of your screen, then you have to put clear command. Then now you can see that your screen is blank after putting clear command. Okay, now another command is ls. Okay, ls stand for list. Okay, all the directories or files that is in your current directory or okay. Now if you will type ls, then you can see there are many directory and files that are here in this root directory. Okay, now here's the question that how you will identify that it is file or folder. Okay, so for to identify that we have another command, that is ls-l. Okay, after this you will type ls-l, then hit enter, and you can see that there is some text. Okay, that is you normally can't understand and you can't think what it can be. Okay, so here I will tell you what is this and what are these all. So here you can see first is dash, okay, and the other rw and dash dash dash. Okay, or you can say hyphen it is. In the second desktop you can see d rwx r dash x r. Okay, this is normally can't understand by any normal user, but here I am telling that any. Okay, just look at the anaconda.ks. Okay, here is dash. Okay, and you can just look at desktop, and here first you will see d. Except of this we have all files and folder have that hyphen and d and hyphen and d. Now how we will check that it is directory or folder, sorry, directory or file. Now to confirm that, here if any of this has hyphen, it means it is a file. Okay, and if any one of these has d here in the first, if it is d, then it is directory, or you can say folder. If in the first it contains d, then it is directory, and if has hyphen, then it is a file. So basically in this way you can identify if someone has in the front that is hyphen, that it means it is a file, or if it has d, then it is a directory. Okay, so now basically you have understand what is file and what is folder. And after that you can see rwx. Now we will discuss what is rwx. Okay, so I will show you this through a diagram here, or just wait. Okay, okay, here it was r, okay, and w and x. So here r is equal to read, and w for write, and another was x. Okay, x for execute. Guys, these are the permission which a user contain. It means a user can read a file, okay, can write a file, or can execute a file. If a user has all three permission, it means if a user has rwx permission, then it means the user can read any file or folder and write in the file or folder. Okay, or can execute, can run this any program. Okay, execute. These all stand for the permission. Okay, so basically a file has two owners, that is user owner, okay, and another is group owner. Okay, a file can own by two means, that is user owner and one is group owner, and third is other. Except of user owner and group owner, all the person comes in the others. Okay, so these all three users, that is user, group and other, holds three permission. Okay, each user holds three permission, that is RWX. Okay, this also contains RWX permission, and this also contains RWX permission. Okay, I simply tell you about what is RWX. Here R stand for read, W stand for write, and EX stand for execute. So a user can have the permission of RWX, group owner also have the permission of RWX, and other also have the permission of RWX. If it has permission like R hyphen hyphen, it means it has only the permission of read, and group, suppose it has the permission like dash W E. Okay, it means the group has only the permission of read and execute. Suppose if other has the permission like dash dash and E, it means it has only the permission of write. Okay, so here if there is dash dash, it means there is no permission, and if there is RWX, it means it contains all three permission. So let's come back and check it. Okay, here you can see first three stand for user owner, second three stand for group, and next three stand for other user. Okay, so RWX means first it is showing RWX, it means user owner has all three permission, read, write, execute. In all file and folder you can check this. And next to this R-X, it means it has not the permission of write, only read and execute permission is there, and to group user, group owner. Okay, now the other users have the permission of read and execute, write permission is not there. So in this way you can see, or you can check the permission of file and folder. So let's move forward. Okay, enter. So next we have command, that is if you will type this command, then you will see that these are the unhidden files. Okay, if you want to check hidden files in your directory, then what you will type? Okay, then you have to type ls-la or ls-a. Okay, then you can see dot. Okay, some folder that contain dot in the beginning. Okay, you can see dot base profile, dot dbus, dot ic authority. These are the hidden folders or directory, you can say, that can't be seen normally. If you will type this command, only then you can see. Okay, so let's clear. Okay, next if you want to go to any directory, okay, you want to go, suppose download directory, or you want to go to desktop, then what you command you will type? Okay, we have a command that is cd. Cd stands for change directory, and after typing cd you have to give the name of that directory. Suppose I want to go to documents. Okay, then you have to type documents. Okay, documents, and hit enter. Now you can see on your screen that it is, after assigning, it is showing document. Now you are in the documents. Okay, if you want to check that you are in the document directory or not, then you have to type pwd. Okay, print working directory. It shows the path of that directory. It means first you went to the root and then went to the document directory. So now currently you are working at a document directory. Now here you have a question that if I want to create a folder, then what I have to type? Here we have a command that is mkdir. Okay, mkdir stands for make directory. So after this we will type the name of folder. Suppose I want to create a new folder. Okay, then just hit enter. Now to check, we have to type again ls. Okay, list all possibilities that can be seen in this folder. Now you can see that new folder. Okay, there is a new folder has been created. If you will go this directory, then you have to type new folder and just hit enter. Now you have come in the new directory. If you will check its path, then just type pwd and hit enter. Now you will see that first you came in the root and then come into the document and came to the new folder, and now you are in the new folder. And here now you have a question, if you want to create a file. Okay, then how you will create a file? So to create a file, we have an option command that is touch. Here I am simply telling you to create an mpt file. Okay, touch creates an mpt file. We have many editors like nano, vim, eco, and many more editors through which we can create files. Okay, here I am using this touch to create an mpt file. Type touch.txt. Okay, and hit enter. Then you will see that there is a file that is a.txt. Okay, you can create another one. Just type touch.b.txt. Okay, and hit enter. Again check, and you can see that here is b.txt. Okay, these are empty file. If you want to create multiple files, then it has another option, that is you have to type this bracket and just type up. I want to create 10 files, then you have to type here 1 dot and here just type 10 and close this bracket, and after this you have to type dot and txt and hit enter. If you will check, then you can see that there is 10.txt, 1.txt, 2.txt, and up to 9.txt it has created. In this way you can create multiple files. If you will type txt and up to the z.txt, then it will create, let's make it uppercase A. Okay, so now it will create up to a.txt, b.txt to up to z.txt. Okay, just hit enter. Now you can see here is a.txt, b.txt, c, d, e, f, okay, up to z. So in this way it is you can create multiple empty files. Okay, now if you want to delete these files, what command you will run? Here we have to type rm-rf and the name of file. Okay, suppose I want to delete this file, then what you will type? I have to type here 10.txt. okay, and hit enter. Now you will check it, then you can see that there is no 10.txt. If you want to delete multiple files at the same time, like we have created here as like same, we have to delete here. Okay, now just do the bracket 1 dot and close the bracket and .txt. okay, and just check back. Now you can see there is no numerical folder. Okay, now if you want to delete this folder, all folder, you can simply delete. You just put a star, okay, and .txt. okay, now all file will be yes. Now you can see there is nothing. Okay, the folder is empty. Again you can check, there is nothing. If you will show ls-x, then there is nothing. Okay, let's clear the screen. Okay, now if you want to go back the same previous directory, then you have to type c dot and enter. Now you will check the path of the file. Now you are in the documents directory. Okay, root document, and if you want to again go to the previous directory, then just type cd dot. Okay, now check at which currently you are at where. So at currently you are at root directory. Okay, now currently you are at root directory. If just check the all contents that is in the root directory. Suppose if you want to check the content of this file, okay, how you will confirm that it is file or folder? You have to type ls-lh. Okay, and now you will see that here is hyphen, so it means it's a file. If it has d, then it will be a directory. Okay, now it is a file, anaconda.ks.cfg. If you want to check the content of this file, then what you will type? We have a command that is cat. Okay, cat is used to display the contents of any file. So here we will type anaconda, okay, -ks.cfg and hit enter. Now you can see it is displaying the content of this file. Okay, here whatever is stored in this file, it is showing all the content of this file. So by using cat command, you can see the all content of any file through cat command. Okay, now we have a question. If I want to copy any folder or file, then what command I have to type? So for this, suppose I want to copy this file. Okay, initial-setup-ks.cfg. Then how I will copy? So for this we have a command that is cp. Cp stand for copy, and to which file you want to copy? I want to copy initial and initial-setup-ks.cfg. If you don't want to type complete name of the file, then you can just type some initial words, like I am typing initial here, and just press tab option, then it will automatically detect the word. Okay, so now after that we have to provide the path of the file where you want to copy it. Okay, now suppose I want to copy this file to template directory. Okay, so I will provide, by default this directory is root, so I will give /root, and in root this is templates directory. Okay, so I will type the template. Okay, now hit enter. Now it is copied in the template directory. How you will check it? You have to go to this directory. Okay, to go this directory, we will type cd for change directory, and just give the name of this directory. Okay, and just hit enter. Now we will check by ls command, then you can see that initial setup ks.cfg file is copied here. Okay, now it was about the copying a file. Now if you want to move a file, then what you will do? For moving the file, we have command that is mv. Mv stand for move. Okay, you can rename the file or you can move the file. Okay, first I will move this file. Okay, then what we will have to do? Just mv and type the name of file which you want to move, and just provide the path. Okay, I want to move this file at root. Okay, and in public. Okay, public directory, and then just slash and give the public. Okay, directory name, and hit enter. Now you have to go to the public directory. Okay, just cd and cd to go previous in the previous directory, and now again cd to change the directory to public. Okay, type here public and hit enter, and check it that it is copied or not. Now it is copied in the public directory. Now if you want to rename this file, then what you will have to type? Okay, here we have to give a command, same command, that is move, and just type the name of file, and here the root, okay, the path where you want to rename it. I want to rename it here, okay. Then I have to type the path of this file. This is in the root, and in root it is in the public folder, okay. And here you have to give the name of this file. Suppose I want to give the name, it means new file, okay, new.txt, and hit enter. Now you will see that its name is changed from initial setup.ks cfg, it is changed into the new.txt. So in this way you can copy and move a file and rename to the same file. So guys, this was all about the file and folder management. I will make another video on the permission of file and folder management, okay. So guys, if you like my video, please hit the like option, and if you get some valuable things, then please share it with your friend, and please also subscribe my channel. Thanks guys for watching.